Hello, this is Jim from TVÅ, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Sudio TVA or TVÅ, or whatever you want to call them. And this is the latest that we've got in from Sudio, and they're also giving away extra sets of coasters which we've checked out already before. They're giving 4 packs free in a promotion, and we'll drop the link below. And this is what they look like here, and they're pretty cool indeed and handy for the house and nice and contemporary looking. So onto these themselves, we just take the plastic off first, and on the back it will tell us that we've got our owner's manual, leather case, cable clip, remote and mic, and lightweight housing. And as you can see, presentation here is excellent as always from Sudio. So when we open up the package, this is what we get here, and it looks pretty cool indeed. And let's check it out. So we'll pop out the goods inside, and here's where you can follow them on social media. And inside we get our owner's manual, warranty card or clip, and a nice white leather pouch which really looks well. And that's pretty much it. Smells nice, pretty nice case. And onto the headphones themselves. And this is them in a nutshell, nicely wrapped. And let's pop them out. And there's our 3.5mm mic, our jack, our mic, and our control here. And here is the actual buds themselves, and there's a bit of a face going on there too. So that's pretty much it. So they are nice and light, and nice colour too. And we have the branding here on the side, indicated left and right, simply underneath there. And that's pretty much it. There's no branding on the mic or control, but it's nice metal housing, which is nice and solid. So stay tuned for a review soon, coming at TVÅ.com, and don't forget the promotion that's going on at the moment, and we'll drop a link below. Talk to you in the next one.